हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। माय नेम इज प्रियंका और आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपसे बात करने वाली हूँ कुछ स्टॉक पिक्स की, जो कि हमने 3 डिफरेंट सेक्टर से सिलेक्ट किए हैं, ऑटो, बैंक एंड आईटी से। किस तरीके से हमने उसमें एक टेक्निकल पिक्चर को समझा है, सेंटिमेंट्स को कैसे एनालाइज किया है और कौन से वो लेवल्स हैं जिसमें हम उनमें ट्रेड करने की एक स्ट्रैटेजी बना सकते हैं। तो चलिए पहले मैं आपने स्क्रीन आपके साथ शेयर कर लेती हूँ। ओके, तो जो बैंकिंग से हमने पिक किया है स्टॉक वो है आईसीआईसीआई बैंक। तो देखिए, ये जो चार्ट आप देख पा रहे हैं यहाँ पे, ये वीकली चार्ट है आईसीआईसीआई बैंक का। टू लॉन्ग बुलिश कैंडल्स, यहाँ से हमको टू लॉन्ग बुलिश कैंडल्स दिखाई दे रही है और अभी तक इस वीक में एक डोजी कैंडल बनी है। अब इसको हम कन्वर्ट कर लेते हैं डेली चार्ट्स में। तो डेली चार्ट्स में वी आर सीइंग अ वी शेप्ड रिकवरी। देखिए, ये एक वी शेप रिकवरी है, एक पुल बैक स्टॉक ने दिखाया था, फिर यहाँ से स्टॉक जो है ऊपर की तरफ बढ़ रहा है। देयर आर नो कंसोलिडेशन, नो मेजर कंसोलिडेशन हियर विच वी कैन सी। एक सीधी ही लाइन में स्टॉक ऊपर की तरफ रिकवरी किया है। तो जब भी हम स्टॉक्स में देखते हैं अब वी शेप रिकवरी देखते हैं, इट मीन्स दैट द बुलिश मोमेंटम इन द काउंटर इज वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग। दैट इज वाई द स्टॉक हैज नॉट halted, it has not consolidated, there is no range which is being formed. The stock is just moving up in almost every session. If you see here also, you can see many green candlesticks but very less red candlesticks, which means that in each and every session ICICI Bank has actually moved up. तो अब यहाँ पे क्या पिक्चर हमको देखने को मिल रही है, इसको लेट मी जूम इन। देखिए, ऊपर के लेवल में कुछ डोजीज और स्पिनिंग टॉप्स हमें दिखने को मिल रहे हैं। यहाँ पे आके थोड़ा सा प्राइस एक्शन जो है हॉल्ट हुआ है, एक साइडवेज मूवमेंट दिया है। लेट अस सी कि इसकी जो रेंज है वो कितने लेवल पे है। सो नीचे की साइड हम देख पा रहे हैं 744 एंड ऊपर 756 का लेवल है। सो व्हाट वी विल डू इज वी विल डिवाइस अ ट्रेडिंग स्ट्रैटेजी वेर we will be buying ICICI Bank above 756 and we will place a stop loss at 745. Again, how much we will target? We will target around, first let us see where is the resistance of the stock. Okay, so above 56 we will be buying and we will cover our position near about 768 to 770 because we are seeing a major resistance here and we are expecting कि यहाँ जाके एक सेल ऑफ हमें देखने को मिल सकता है। सो नीचे की साइड हमारा ऑलमोस्ट 10 पॉइंट्स का स्टॉप लॉस रहेगा और ऊपर की साइड जो हमारा टारगेट है दैट विल बी अराउंड 15 पॉइंट्स। सो यू कैन कैलकुलेट द रिस्क रिवॉर्ड, इट इज मोर देन 1:1। 15 points you will gain and 10 points you will lose. So if such type of trades wherein the risk reward are almost similar, if that suits your risk taking capability, you can go for this trade, otherwise you can avoid it. So there are many whenever we as a technical trader we take trades, we take into consideration many things. First of all, what is the probability that a breakout will happen, or what is the probability of the pattern which we are seeing. The second thing is, what is the risk reward we are getting in this trade? Is it worth taking the trade? Is if it is less than 1:1, obviously we will not take it, but sometimes the probability is very high, so we have to make a decision here based on the fact that what is the risk I will be taking and what is the probability that I will be winning. So the next stock is from auto. The name of the stock is TVS Motors. Okay, as you can see, TVS Motors has actually formed a very interesting chart pattern, almost similar to ICICI Bank price action. We are seeing a consolidation at higher end. The prices have stopped here, they have halted and they are consolidating. They are not falling down. We are still seeing, even if it is forming a spinning top or a doji, it is still green, small green candlestick pattern. So it is very obvious that the upper range of this small consolidation is the resistance. So what is the resistance here? It is 748 to 749. So above 748 we will be buying TVS Motors. What will be the stop loss? I will keep a very minimal stop loss of, because we are buying at a higher level. If you can see, the stock has already traveled some points. for the past many sessions, the stock has already traveled. So what we don't want to happen is that if we buy here and the stocks, there is some sort of profit booking in the sorts in the stock, वो नीचे आने लगता है, then we will not place a very wide stop loss. We can do it sometimes, but here the stock can go to lower levels, because the people who have bought at this level or this level, they are already sitting on good profits. So they might book some profits. So that is the scenario we don't want to face. So what we will do is we will only buy the stock above the breakout level, which is at 748, 749. We will place a small stop loss here at somewhere near 740, 739, let's say 739, because that is almost the base of this small pattern here. So 10 points we are risking, and we are again expecting a 7 to 8% upside here. The third stock that we will talk about today is Wipro. See, Wipro has seen a strong sell-off. Just a minute. Okay, so Wipro has seen a strong sell-off from the higher levels of 700 and 720. As you can see, the stock is already in a downtrend. It is not looking very good. If you ask me what is the trend in Wipro, it is obviously a downtrending stock now. So what we are trying to say, for the past few sessions, we have seen a good bounce back in IT stocks because they were already oversold. So there are many ways to trade stocks. One of them is to buy oversold counters, which may see a pullback rally. So here in this case, we are not saying that we are buying stocks because it is in an uptrend. So generally the common assumption behind buying a stock is we should buy stocks which are on uptrend. That is what short-term traders or momentum traders do. But here we are taking a contrarian call. Why? Because we know the setup, we know the kind of results it can produce if it is fruitful. So we are just buying. So this is a kind of particular technical setup where we buy oversold stocks and we aim for the पुल बैक, क्योंकि क्या होता है कि जब बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग सेल ऑफ यहाँ पे देखने को मिला है, तो यहाँ पे जो जितने भी लोग अभी प्रॉफिट में बैठे होंगे, they will somewhere they will cover their position. When they will cover their position, there will be some sort of rally in this counter, which is called as short covering rally or pullback rally. So that is what we intend to do. So again, the stock is consolidating here. We have already seen 3 good days here. So that is why we will not go blindly and buy this stock at any level. What we will do is we will wait here. If the stock goes above 480, which is the latest resistance, we'll buy this stock for just 5 to 6% gains. Against the stop loss will be placed at 473 levels. So 472 to 473. So 5 to 6% gains will be somewhere around 20 points. How much we will lose if we go wrong? It will be only 5 to 6 points. So that will be our risk to reward in this trade. So these are the 3 stocks I will be looking at, and this is how I will be trading then. If you have liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. अपने friends के साथ, दोस्तों के साथ please इसे share कर दीजिए. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.